Amazonia, nation loyalty. Presence of our Savior who granted us the freedom. And let the soul the hero who brought the lonely piano. Glory to glory, we rise and never to fall. Carrying a nation, flowing rivers of glory. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. Welcome, fellow Ambazonians, and welcome at the sea. Divine Kum for Insa Has, I salute you. Grand Frère, I salute Tio. We also there online, and all my way can join me. We see an unacceptable development for Buea following the respect of the ghost town. We also see for Kumba a massive sealing of shops in Kumba. These are things that are not acceptable, and we are very angered by this move by La Republique. I'm going to do the presentation to you, so I'll take some time to welcome you. We are getting the report. I've spoken to two of the some lecturers there who have called me to talk to me about exactly what the Cameroon military did there. We are going to focus today on the Cameroon military, their terrorism in our territory, unacceptable actions that we need to respond to, and we need to respond appropriately. So I salute all man for Ground Zero. I know saying a time where people they sleep now around 1 o'clock or 1:30, so for Ground Zero and for Europe and most part them, but nevertheless, we know say most people they go watch later on, so we'll focus now on the messaging, and that is what we always do. So might take some time for Saloduna and also for check my note and no say the one presentation where we already prepare.
Freedom, yes. Freedom, yes. Independent, yes. And yes. No for special status, no for federation, no for special status, no for federation.
So welcome everybody. I see Anita Banks different house. Different house. Welcome all, welcome. Esther, welcome. And all our people for Buea, our students for Buea, and for around the petrol station for the way when call me for the one of a great support, my sweet travel entrance to university, for all the ministers there. And I salute the people from Metengene, the one that for Kumba, the general for Kumba, with the call me from all. Biki Boma, welcome. Oma, welcome.
We all come together for Federal Republic of Cameroon. What happen when you go change? What way we bring all together? If you want change, and so you tell we say you did change or go back for La Republique. For the kind of way all we come together they want. As we not chop broke pot, we see and say, and then the worker for we. That will not touch the one common no. Maybe the lockdown say will not come out. When one come for this jangle that you bring we, where you go say will not come out. You and France don't cook up. Because when I don't say Saudi Cameroon get mineral resources, you decide on your own for Cancer Federation. You abolish them. Amazonia, it don't rise, never to fall again. Amazonia, it don't rise, never to fall again. Amazonia, it don't rise, never to fall again. Yes, Bobia, If you no be na Satan, wetin happen? Marketing board, you kill am. Medino, you kill am. Power Cam, you kill am. Cameroon Bank, you kill am. Amity Bank, you kill am. Tico Airport, you kill am. Tico Seaport, you kill am. Bamenda Ring Road, you kill am. Econa Research, you kill am. Medino, you kill am. If this one no be na witchcraft, inside Saudi Cameroon, all governors na francophone. Inside our courthouses, judges na francophone, magistrate na francophone. You go sell for with school system, teachers francophone, principals francophone, bosses francophone. Which kind of ballot be this?
Months of protests, the reason for which lies deep in the country's colonial past. Before 1961, the modern-day Cameroon was essentially two countries.
So, fellow Ambazonians, fellow people of Southern Cameroon, are welcome once again for this No Koni Talk platform. Do want to be critical analysis with the gate information where they come out for Boya, for students the way La Republique, their terrorist forces, them, these Egyptians and this Ekelebe them, they don't enter for inside campus for inside Boya. They round up students them, round up hundreds and hundreds of students them, put them the knee for down, humiliate them enough, carry some them go them for prison. So when they need if you see their classmate them, we don't get disturbing calls. Forget the details them how they molest our picking them for behind the curtains for Boya, and we see this trend across our national territory. I want to play the video for bring up for our attention. This one will be unacceptable. We see a new wave of refugee them where they don't come out the enter for inside Nigeria. We get disturbing conversation with some of the refugee leader them for day. I don't talk with someone one man way a businessman way they don't born all it's in them for inside the Atlantic state for day. He just enter for inside refugee camp. We try to see what if we help them, but we know say ultimately the best help will figure for them now for free Ambazonia. So be focused as Dr. Cho Ayabadan Tokam will be focused for our liberation cause and will carry out the measure action for make sure say make we get justice and make we resolve this problem as soon as possible. The refugee them I'll play some of their video they make una hear for ourselves. The suffering way where people they go through, the unacceptable treatment where they come around military they give for our people with the conniving of the French government, who are also updating about the latest call them for negotiation coming from France and some of the French sympathizer them for their parliament, Nadot, Sebastien, and the other people them they call from some prominent human rights organizations and the United States. But first take go for Boya for see this curse we La Republique du Cameroon they don't put inside this big shame, this humiliation. We don't see for all throughout our country how they treat our people them in this manner. So I want to salute all man. No get time for really take time salute all man today, and we will try for share this one also for YouTube. We will see work on the AGOVC, the Governing Council TV. So make una no begin worry. Say Ground Zero they need to be led properly for give them proper information about our struggle instead for begin to use the space for fight our struggle. People they use them for position themselves, for position organization, position individuals them. But will be focused for the liberation movement. Nevertheless, we care less about that. Our priority now the guns and the bullet the way we go take up for free our land. We go open the TV eventually. A lot of people that already start. I think Lucas asked to work with the citizen volunteer them for the diaspora where they don't decide for give we a TV station for the Ambazonian Governing Council and the ADF. So if people don't want contribute for those initiatives, me then contact Lucas Asu. He go direct them for the right quarters where the things that they go on. I think they would already be ready for start the TV station. Make una no worries. So I know say a lot of people that they contact they worry to say why we nobody open TV yet, why Dr. Cho nobody give we TV yet. We don't get meeting with the Governing Council. The president of the Governing Council, Dr. Cho Ayaba, either make and clear say a priority no be communication. A priority now for Ground Zero, for equip the boys and for diplomacy. But the communication department and some mission head them for America, the one also from some of them from Europe, they don't come together for make sure say me the communication part it be settled once and for all. So for sure in the cables they work the corridors for our broad citizens them for make sure say we get our TV and it will come very very soon. And I want for those who they see be very worried. Oh, now they hear this small small nonsensical people, the way they put them for SCBC, me them begin to throw insult on our side. Say those people, them they not, we are not worry about them. Those are people where they be irrelevant. For we people, they be relevant now the players them for ground zero. The one the way they try for arm people them. We not say a lot of them be misled, but we know those characters, we know their influence for this struggle. No be any people who need to worry. The ADF no be built now on social media. The ADF no be built now on TV. The revolution, as I always tell now, shall not be televised. This is not something that will be driven by people who are struggling. Their own fight is to become contender on social media, to become contender in activism, to be the father or not even, I'm not talking even about Mark. I'm talking about this small common thief called Don Pasho and the rest of people like him. This is a very serious matter. If you look at the people who are being killed in ground zero, if you talk to the refugees, these are people who don't even talk to these people. They are not people who are even in touch with the people in ground zero or the people in Boyo or the people in Bui. I work with the doctor in Bui. I'm not from that village, but that is my country. It's Ambazonia. I work with the doctor that was assassinated there. We took this guy from Douala. He had a good job. He decided to contact us. The Ambazonian Governing Council built a hospital there for him. He was treating civilians for free. And we're providing medicines. We are doing the same thing all over Ambazonia. We have been supporting people in Boyo for forever. And we will continue to do so. We have set up forces there. And people are being killed every day by the Cameroon military. And you have this dirty-mouthed guy, a common thief, Don Pasho, person where they catch you for inside banda for store. Do you want information from your family there? You come and spend time on social media to throw insult to an institution like the AGOVC and to a leader like myself, a command officer of one of the biggest force on ground zero. But nevertheless, we will remain focused and we focus on what is very important, which is our fight for our liberation. I've had videos coming from Boya. I've spoken to some of those students who have been molested by the Cameroon military, some who cannot even appear or even tell their stories. They have nowhere to go. Some of the ladies who were rough handled in the campuses in Boya, they cannot even talk about their story. They don't have any place to go. There is no authority for them to make reports. They are even afraid to report to the United Nations and human rights organizations who are on the ground. And some people are here in the diaspora playing games with this revolution. Some people are playing games with this revolution. And it wonders me, the two that even wonder me the most now, the people really pay attention for this type of character. And Yerima should be ashamed to have somebody like that parading himself like somebody speaking for them. Seseko should be ashamed of people like that. People like that. We don't see the same Don Pasho during the time for General Ivor. We be call me the assassinate General Ivor. Now the same Don Pasho where them connive for kill General Arki. Now the same person that. Now the same person need to come today for can inject itself tribalism for Boyo. Nobody say even be relevant because they cannot do anything. They are not on the ground. They are not on the ground. They are fighting to become relevant. They are fighting to negotiate. They are fighting for everything other than for fight to liberate the people. Their focus is not liberation, definitely. Because we don't see money where they don't collect them for here and we don't see how they spend that money. You don't get nothing for liberate our people. We are doing the biggest job on ground zero. When I see from newspaper, the newspaper publication for ground zero, like publication of this newspaper. Nevertheless, no be a battle for prove ourselves. Ma come back for way to way, don't bring me for come on online live today. The images, the very disturbing images, we will see where they come from Boya, and I think that this way they go on all across our national territory. Ma bring up the video, and I'll also take una for the video them for the come up from the prisoners them from our the new refugee the way they arrive for inside Nigeria camp. Yes, also in Tiko and in Tiko and Kumba they also have some cases of arrest. I think in Tiko they arrested a couple of about 10 or something people who were drinking late in the night around 6 o'clock. I don't know whether they were enforcing ghost town or not. In Kumba they have come and sealed over close to 1,000 shops. Basically all shops for Kumba where they trade at them. They don't pay their rents. then get their shop, they then decide to close their shop for demonstrate peacefully. Peaceful demonstration, say them stand for independence. No be by force. When I see how La Republique they try to make propaganda, say for Buea goes down and they go on, for provoke we say Ramu will send in our military men, me then come for this so that they go fit talk for the international community, say they goes down, they be in force. Now by force, not be by free will. But we'll engage the population for Buea and we'll remind them of their will where they don't express them previously for independence, and the town of Buea then closed down 100% for observe the Independent Day goes down, for send a message to La Republique and the international community, say the people from Ambazonia, they don't want anything other than separation and independence. Now they are right, and we're not going to allow anybody for twist, for derail, or for misrepresent them. We will not allow that. So these are the images, the way they come from Buea. Now La Republique du Cameroon and this inter-campus. Now military men them this. Now they are respond this for Ghost Town. This one now they respond for La Republique for Ghost Town for peaceful demonstration. How the people that for Buea that I wake up say they want independence. So La Republique had own response. Now for enter students them, against all students them, for humiliate them for hours. This happened almost about 6 hours of Buea. Now their own response is this is probably a war against terrorism. Now probably a war is against Ambazonia. When yesterday they deployed troops them. See? When they deploy troops them for inside Ambazonia for can't fight war. Now the war this way they fight them against the students, against unarmed civilians them, where they target them. But this is their so-called war against Ambazonia, because their war against Ambazonia and a war against all man. When I see them, they are in the parade using their drones, all their military hardware to terrorize students. Even if it be been, I said there be a gunshot for the way no gunshot no be beat today. The first way army they do, or the way to way police they do them. Now for move away all students them, all women, girls and children away from any incident. But then come for they can arrest them all, put them for ground, humiliate them, because they consider all them like terrorists. When I see them, now drones and that, now how they spend their money to terrorize our picking them, rape some of them, manhandle some of them. I don't talk with 2 professors them for inside University of Buea where they report the incident there. Talk to a couple of students where they no fit talk publicly because they fear they will identify them and they will arrest them. Now military this is where they do for picking them. Now the Anglophone then this for their eye. You want to know people there they want respect our right, or they want try to live together with us. Now people there they see we as terrorists, as inconvenience for exploit our territory. These are demons, wicked people. No people there will live with them. Now terrorism this, terrorizing our students because a boy don't stand for Ghost Town. Now the reaction this, we can't catch all man the leadership of town. Not be the first time I engage in this. Bamenda, that's here all across our territory.
Very soon, everybody will sleep like those guys very soon.
Yeah.
Look at this phone. They got your telephone.
You see? Now the military that they talk says students they go sleep for down. Like the one the way they don't kill them. They record that one in an amber boy. If you are a boy, you are an amber boy for their eyes. Whether you carry gun or not. Now then that they talk for the students and not for Bamenda. So they go kill them. They go sleep for ground like the one the way they already sleep for ground. Now a policy, now a systematic punishment, now a collective punishment for La Republique for all the people of Southern Cameroon. A war against Ambazonia. A war against all Anglophones. Because their main target, now because they will stand for independence, now because we are different from them, that is why, that is the only crime we have committed.
Tout le monde va dormir. Oh, regardez le téléphone là. Regardez le téléphone là. Enlevez-moi ton machin là. Regardez le téléphone là.
Now see how they terrorize students.
Regardez le téléphone là.
Women and children, teenagers. They pose no risk. These are children who pose no risk to them. But they are terrorizing them. Killing Bebe Mata, 4 gunshots in the head. Samsoya, burning people in their houses. They want to suppress una. Which type of people they will accept for live in the country? They want to oppress them, to keep them in this country.
Look at this bastard. I say close your eyes. Close your eyes. I say.
Yeah, military man commander the top.
I say close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Basil.
When I hear the anger for their heart when they get them. Imagine if now we will round up francophones them like that. Imagine what way they go do them. Imagine if now we will round up francophones, or if now we be military. We go for inside Yaoundé, we go for inside their own towns them. We go round up picking them like that one, put them for ground, insult them, intimidate them, manhandle them, rape some of them, kill some of them, call them terrorists, maquisards, insult them every day. So that mean they accept for be with we. Me they accept for stay quiet. Me they accept say they no go ever ask anything like independence. I think say it will be possible.
Look guys.
Like come to this whole people for them.
Sleep.
Now students and this, they do them every day. It be systematic. It be systemic.
They transmit.
It be systematic. And some people they play with them lesson a game. Some people they check in a joke. Imagine a pikin will go through this trauma.
Everybody sleep.
Imagine a pikin will go through this trauma. They need to look any arms. They need to look
everybody sleep. Everybody sleep.
Punishment.
Everybody sleep. I said close your eyes. Everybody have to sleep.
It will never happen. Only for students the way they live in school. From all sides for quarter them.
Everybody sleep.
They want to terrorize them for do it.
I said close your eyes. Close your eyes.
The one intimidate so that when they go through this experiment for torture,
I see your eyes closed.
For terrorism, they will be so terrorized where they will never call themselves Ambazonians,
okay.
Southern Cameroonians,
do the same thing now.
Whatever identity where they want them.
Sleep.
You want terrorism.
Sleep.
So we cannot step this state of mind where they want
to sleep like those guys. Close your eyes. Everybody, close your eyes. Everybody, close your eyes. Everybody, sleep. Everybody, sleep. Everybody, sleep. Sleep. I said, close your eyes. Everybody, sleep.
Now see terrorism. Everybody.
Close your eyes, everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Fermez comme ça, fermez comme ça. Fermez comme ça. Everybody sleep. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Everybody sleep. Everybody sleep. Everybody sleep.
Wait till they do for picking them. Every day.
Charge we. Everybody sleep.
Across our territory. Not one way they don't do for Goya.
Fermez-moi le machin là.
Fermez-moi la slavery. Now which kind of relationship this? Cannot do. They not do one for their own people them. Definitely. Russia their own killing.
Moi je suis en train de blaguer c'est là.
Give them a water. Coca-Cola.
Fermez là-bas. Il a dit que dormez comme ça là. Mettez ça comme ça.
See. Now our students and this
go.
Now the treatment this way they give for our students them unarmed people. Ask and say these students where they don't catch and so for inside their campus.
Oh, shut up. No.
They don't want to give them psychological torture for silence them. Now it's systematic practice where they do them all across our territory. One and the way they never appear for camera. Kale, they move for the put them in the knee for down. For sure, they say them be na educated people.
Allez.
Now students and that. Now people that picking and that's so. Teenagers.
Avance.
Now the type of system this way they want put on top of our people them. C'est more accept for live like this.
Avancez.
For silence them forever. Now the image is in this. After they go kill them, they go tie and call and say Amba boy.
Moi je vous dis en français, si vous pleurez encore, la vitesse qui va passer, en tout cas je déclare le centre d'instruction ouvert.
So now it's in this what the same way it happened for our country. where they do them, and not be only for there. We don't see them even for Yaoundé. Now images and this of Yaoundé. How they catch Anglophones and so-called Anglophones. Now then that for Yaoundé that. They go for their quarter, they don't map out their quarter systematically. They don't go around my map quarter, people their house and way na so-called Anglophone and they for their house them. When I see them, now this is Yaoundé. Now the image and this is Yaoundé, they come for inside their house, they not be safe for no place. I don't talk for people that they work for ministry. So when they get for the need for pretend for talk say they been a Kamto is supporter them for so that they feel live for that country. They go around talk say I'm a Kamto shall be president. As a means for disguise and hide their identity like the so-called undesirable Anglophones. Otherwise, they will be targeted for assassination, for firing. They will call them all type of names for simply being who they are. People from a territory that is internationally recognized, a state that have acted with self-determination before. Taxi driver, the way they need for inside their territory, they need for wear their jersey for the Lions Indomptable, for be able to navigate their way, for be accepted. People that need for wear their lions clothes, for pretend. They need for talk French and not speak their language properly. Even in us, inside our territory now. People that fear for speak pidgin. Inside our own territory, people that fear for speak even English. Inside our territory. We see even how for Nigeria, new refugee they come. Now refugee then this they arrive for inside Nigeria. These are refugees that arrive for inside Nigeria. They might play one of the video them for some of those refugee them. Might play some of the video for one of them. I just feel say I just play and put it out there so that many people they see way to way they go on. Me they know the gravity and me they know how wicked this La Republic day. And for understand, so we need for we for survive, for we for live with honor. Because definitely we cannot accept to be second-class citizen, let alone any shape of union with these people who have no regard for us. This is their treatment. This is what they are calling heart on mind. This is their best treatment we are getting so far. When I hear they talk about being of a kind with us first. This is their best treatment they are giving us so far. So any man where they dream, say if we live with these people under this condition, that means that man a crazy man. We no fit ever live with them in this condition or any other condition. Because we know say even inside their own a country where even money for coronavirus, a pandemic, as scary as it be, even dictator them like Museveni, they spend their own personal money on their citizens them now for this pandemic. For this shithole country like Republic, then chop even the one way their own citizens then contribute them. Then prefer luxurious car from WHO than facial mask for providers for coronavirus people them. We no fit get anything to do with these people them. Never again. And now our duty, in particularly those of you who don't travel abroad, who don't see human right, human dignity, for fight, for defend and preserve the human dignity for our brother back home. Now our duty, now our sacred duty that we owe for our people them. For make sure say those boys if protect themselves, protect those community and get the freedom for them to live a human and dignified life. Now our time is to do them. If man no ever contribute, we not do them. For make sure say we get there. Now video this for refugee where does the enter for inside Nigeria now. I play the refugee video. We don't try for help. Help no day because frankly speaking, would we focus? I not even first call Wali or talk for the ask for money for refugee. Then now I no fit. If any man will if we had to want support them, I will contact the refugee leader for Nigeria. Even one sending even na $20 and how much me help itself, I will give the person the number. Move na contact it because the focus will not say ultimately the best help we figure for refugee them. Now for free the country.
Well, I'm Bakosi from Kupa Maninguba.
Now Bakosi man this so.
This incident, the army come and meet us from my family. They kill my wife and children. They asked me 2 million francs. I said that I don't have no money. I said that I have to go in the bush, but I don't have no money now. So they're telling me that I should give them the money. We right in Bova. A woman, my children. They kill my 6 children with my wife pregnant, burn my house.
Now people in this. They see send messages them from Boya.
They kill them. Frustrated. I need the help from you people. I'm in Nigeria here, a refugee. I need the help from you people. I'm frustrated.
I don't know whether the volume even be good. Now Bakosi man this. Now gendarme the way they can station and for a village. They don't kill a woman, kill a pikin. He get small motor for them because they see motor they fixing a man get money. They not killing her because they want me give them money. They say must give them 1 million. Because our people they don't come na their own a new form of slavery. This why they collect for Sonera their own gendarme they collect for road them. Would I hear say gendarme they don't begin to bring petrol from they buy illegal petrol for cancel and for day. They don't turn now their way this to get money. Arrest people then they take money. They don't then kill this man he boy pikin because they ask him money no gam 1 million. Kill a woman. Come born in moto before you run Nabakosi man. Nabakosi man this. Now a video this. Nabakosi man this.
I have. Papa, thank you, may the God Almighty. I thank you. I'm in Nigeria here, Daddy. I thank you Almighty for you people. For my answer, you people answer to me. Papa, thank you.
So we not feel ready do much. We not feel ready help. Man this way and live a good life. Work hard. Build a house, a village. Start a farm them. Buy a motor. They do live a good life. They don't kill woman. Kill pikin. They don't turn on a beggar, a refugee for Nigeria. People they want help refugee them. Now Ayapo Foundation be the camp for them for can help refugee them. Wait till the Republic that don't do now. I say they don't try for hide the fact say refugee they see come out for cover and for the international community by stopping Ayapo Foundation for going there using success in Congo for all that matter. When I see people they call themselves pastor, they don't go sell the country, sell their conscience. The money where success Congo they do work at chop them with the spoilers them for the revolution. Now the blood money, now the people in this way they don't sell and for chop that money for hide the fact. Say refugee then day for day. Every day, refugee they see come now. Every day. How did they make their drama? Refugee they come every day. We need to fight as hard as possible. The ADF done build the best structure for ground zero. It done provide the highest amount of weapons for ground zero. Now the only way for help we for be effective. Are the people that they collect money, send and for yes, send and for they collect and send and for they. They don't deny for use the effective, the cornerstone we got down here for Ambazonia. But we'll be happy, say more and more, I need to acknowledge and say we'll get more and more, we'll get the highest support now, I think for the struggle. We'll get the highest people that they come, but we need more than that. The job just be too much. The burden be too big. And all man need to play a part. We need to stop play politics, we need to stop for be entertained by people they no go ever offer anything other than things that we no go work. People ready to fight now for represent, no be for fight for liberate. We'll get the best organization in terms of governing council. The governing council can be the best nursery for a government right now. They follow, not only are they democratic, the people there are more focused. There are people who are there mounting position to actually effectively help that territory to become liberated and to facilitate negotiation. No place where you hear one man and this one man, I don't want to go for that area because it be shameless for me. Say, I see people them they behave like the way they behave for this struggle. I don't know whether these people they actually be in touch with Ground Zero or the people that they die for Nigeria. I think say they don't even stop themselves. They now be focused now for build their palaces. So we know some person asks and say where the Amber Boy they hide when the military they attack them. The Amber Boys them, na guerrilla fighters them. The military they actually know most of those camps them. Because those villages then get military people ready to work with them, then get black legs them. But the military they not be motivated enough, they not be strong enough. Their aim for day now for intimidate and terrorize the population like Odisha for Boya. You see people that for Boya, they don't come up to make protests. They don't observe ghost town in response to our call. Wait to be the response for the military. Now for go arrest people them massively, humiliate them. Must put the video again. This is a response of a peaceful of the observation of ghost town in Boya. This is the military they respond. They want to respond. You ask me, somebody ask me, they say, who's the Amber Boy they went? The military are not after the Amber Boys. The militaries are after the civilians because this is an ideological war. It is a war for independence. The people want separation. Just like they wanted separation when we were together with Nigeria. The military is not fighting Amber Boys. Amber Boys is just a cover to kill everybody on that land. When I see, they know where the camps are. They cannot go to the camps. So for the person who asks and say why the military, why the Amber Boys, they know the Amber Boys are fighting a guerrilla warfare. They are targeting the Cameroon military, which are legitimate targets. The military is not targeting the Amber Boys. They are targeting the civilian population because what they want is for Ghost Town to stop. What they want is to hide the fact that the people want separation. They want to twist it to make sure that they can misrepresent what we want. That is what they are doing. Now, why they say they bring people the agent provocateur, they will begin cause with confusion. Instead for we to articulate way to way what people they want, with the focus for begin fight those agent provocateurs them like Don Pasho them where they can provoke argument, provoke unnecessary talks them, quiet enemy, they mislead the population, they intimidate them or succumb to their will of an imposed union. So the Amber Boy, a guerrilla fighter, the way they go continue for target the Cameroon military at their vulnerable positions. Not be inside population, we target the population side there as well, but the measured focus will still be for begin ambush the Cameroon military. For make sure say we'll give them enough pain while they live for our territory, make them vacate our territory. Those are legitimate military target and we will continue to go after them. We will continue to go after them. We will kick out all the administrators. We will kick out all their military posts. Now they then are bunkered down. They be bunkered down. They no be patrol our streets. We will continue to use that strategy until they will leave our territory. The economic sabotage will go on very well. We will see how the international community they realize that poor be not finish we. We will see Nadot he tweeted that he still call now for dialogue. He call say me the French government. He did now call about the European government. Me the European Union. Me then come in for dialogue. We will see Rayman also very important activists and too they ran join the call for dialogue. The American government Thibault Nagy they ran talk. We will be on the right side of the law. We need to fight harder. Continue to fight, for send out a clear message for the international community, say our people will not give up. Our people will not give up their legitimate right to access their sovereignty and to be in control of their destiny. We will not give up, we will not compromise because this is our right. The American government voted for our independence when they voted for us to join La République du Cameroon. That is a recognition of our statehood and our independence. So we are right to do what we are doing. We'll continue to do it, and I will encourage people to make sure they dig deep in their hand, in their pocket, to make this freedom to come as soon as possible. It is attainable. We are already there. Now only the problem we get are the enablers, the job for the enablers and infiltrators and traitors. Enablers have at least we don't neutralize most of their effect. Now with the deal now with the last category of people when are infiltrators and traitors. People the way La République don't pay them bribe. Me them suppress us, me them derail us, me them distract us. People there La République don't pay them bribe for misrepresent the revolution, for go begin the talk for the international community, say them be willing to accept something less. But now the international community then come to realize that those people are not significant enough because no matter how they are urging them, they don't try to mislead our population, me them follow their leadership, where go be meant now for mislead them. Our people they don't reject them, they don't recognize that these people are impostors who have no legitimate foothold in any institution in Ambazonia, neither do they represent the people for independence. They know that they present their own selfish interests and the interests of the enemy because they are hired agents paid by the HD for one job to return us back to a subjugated people with La République du Cameroon for them to continue with their plantation farm, to continue with their extraction of our resources while keeping our people in a state of destitute. We will not accept that in no circumstances. We have made up our mind. We will carry it until the last man standing. Until La République will leave our territory. Until the international community will come to the recognition that there will be no way to suppress this movement. So we'll continue to call our people to observe the ghost town, despite the intimidation and the terrorism being deployed by La République du Cameroon. We will still wait images from Kumba. We don't say they don't close almost all shop they will combat because all man don't lock his shop for stand for toxic and one independence, for stand in agreement with the separation agenda for the Amazonian people. The people then continue for the observe their ghost town even 4 years for show the war. So will be determined. And that is the only thing that will give us victory. The only challenge now, how can we show the world that our people are there for independence? The ghost town are the best way and they work. La Republic they try all way for twist them. Say the ghost town need to work people they not still want independence, but the people then be resilient and the international community then recognize them. Now why that way this is the language for Tibo Nagi it don't change as Dr. Chu Ayaba be talk. We will continue to follow in leadership where we go take we for the right place for Buea. No be only a one man. Dr. Chu Ayaba is not just an individual, but he runs an institution, a democratic institutions. I get a phone call, so I'll follow these obligations. But maybe we'll keep our eyes for Buea. Wait to wait it happen for Buea. We'll call the youth to mobilize themselves for self-defense and for stop this impunity with operations for reprisal operation for inside Buea. Me then contact we directly for organize them, for arm them for the job for self-defense and for stop the impunity for this terrorism we like Republic to carry on for our territory. Bye.